The rise of Temu, a shopping revolution. Temu is everywhere. It seems like everyone is talking about this new online marketplace. And for good reason. Temu offers incredibly low prices on a huge range of products. But is it too good to be true? Let's take a look at the facts. Temu has experienced explosive growth since its launch. With over 167 million monthly active users, it's clear that Temu has struck a chord with shoppers worldwide. This popularity translates into serious sales. Experts predict Temu will rake in a whopping $54 billion in sales in 2024. That's more than many established retail giants. These numbers tell us one thing: Temu is a force to be reckoned with. But what's the secret to their success? How do they offer such low prices and still manage to attract millions of shoppers? The answer lies in Temu's unique business model. They've cut out the middleman and worked directly with manufacturers. This allows them to offer products at significantly lower prices than traditional retailers. But that's not all. Temu is also known for its generous discounts and promotions, including ways to get free stuff. Unlock freebies, legit ways to save on Temu. Who doesn't love free stuff? Temu offers several ways to score free items or enjoy deep discounts. First up, the sign-up bonus. Download the app, create an account, and voila! You'll likely get a welcome gift or a discount code for your first purchase. Temu makes shopping fun with in-app games like Fishland and Farmland. Earn coins, rewards, and even free products by playing. Temu regularly offers coupons and promotions. Keep an eye on the app's homepage and notifications. Use keywords like free or freebie in the search bar to find hidden gems. Follow Temu on social media for contests and giveaways. Win free stuff by participating. Beware of false promises. Stay safe on Temu. Temu offers amazing deals, but be aware of potential scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Watch out for fake websites or social media accounts posing as Temu. These imposters might offer low prices or free products for personal information. Double-check website addresses and social media handles. Be wary of offers that sound too easy. Temu's referral program is legitimate, but use it responsibly. Report any suspicious activity to Temu's customer support immediately. Cracking the code: how Temu keeps prices down. How can Temu afford to offer such low prices? The answer lies in their innovative business model and strategic approach to cost reduction. One of Temu's key strategies is its direct-to-consumer approach. By eliminating intermediaries like wholesalers and distributors, Temu streamlines the supply chain and reduces costs. This allows them to pass on the savings to shoppers in the form of lower prices. Another factor contributing to Temu's low prices is its efficient logistics system. Temu partners with global logistics providers and leverages technology to optimize its shipping and warehousing operations. This ensures products are delivered quickly and efficiently, keeping costs down. Temu also keeps prices low through strategic marketing. Instead of relying solely on traditional advertising, Temu focuses on digital marketing channels like social media and influencer collaborations. This allows them to reach a wider audience and generate buzz without breaking the bank. Finally, Temu's large customer base plays a role in its ability to offer competitive prices. With millions of customers worldwide, Temu enjoys economies of scale. This means they can negotiate better prices with manufacturers due to their large order volumes, further driving down costs.